Hey guys, what's up? Drop side, hi! Tamaraw FX 2.4 GL drop side, diesel automatic, 2.4 4-cylinder, 1,075,000 pesos. Next generation Tamaraw, Abante tayo. Tanggol. So yan guys, black edition ng Tamaraw. And ito, interesting thing. So with display audio, CarPlay Android. So yun yung pinaka naano ko dito na naging catch sa akin. So alam naman natin that this is the black edition. So napakaganda, orange trim, hazard. Ito, Apple and Android CarPlay. Pero syempre, you have to put a USB wire. Pero interesting na yun pala yun. With Apple CarPlay and Android. So yun guys, once again, it's the black color, black edition ng Toyota Tamaraw. Alright? Disc brake, drum. So pretty much swabe. Ang ganda niya, oh. Forma.